Hello everyone, welcome back to PM Academy. Today's topic is Tier 3 exam of Combined Higher Secondary Level Exam conducted by Staff Selection Commission. Dear students, after Tier 1, Tier 2, when you are declared as eligible for all these things, then you will be called for Tier 3 exam by the Staff Selection Commission for Combined Higher Secondary Level Exam or CHSL exam. Dear students, very basic things you have to keep in mind for the skill test. First thing is that this the skill test or the typing test for shortlisted candidates after second tier 2 being a tier 2 exam being declared. So shortlisted candidates will be called for tier 3 exams, or that is known as the skill test. Then dear students, you keep in mind that when you are called by the Staff Selection Commission for skill test, the computers are to be provided by the commissions or by authorized agents, and also keep in mind that it will be conducted in the cities of that Staff Selection Commission's regions. Means you see that actual different regions are also there in a specific in a particular regions, different cities are there, so it can be conducted in any of the cities of your SSC regions where you appear the exam, under whose regional office of Staff Selection Commission who appeared the exam. So within that sphere, within that area's cities, you may be called for the skill test. It will be also keep in mind that it will be qualifying in the natures, because this is only qualifying in the nature, and any error in the skill test will be calculated or will be considered up to 2 decimal places, and these are the basic things. But then I want to tell you that in the tier 3 of the CHSL, already in the CHSL you have seen that actual 4 categories of the post are there, like you can say LDC, lower division clerk, junior secretariat assistant, second category postal assistant or the sorting assistant, third category was the data entry operator, fourth category is the data entry operator grade A. In this case, what happens, skill test is applicable to all the 4 categories, but the skill test is divided into the mainly in the 3 categories. All these groups actually have been in the grouped in the 3 categories for the skill test. First I am taking you to the skill test of data entry operator, and data entry operator skills test, that the skill test is mandatory, it is compulsory for everyone. No candidate is exempted from these exams. Data entry speed must be 8000 key depression per hour, and the duration is 15 minutes, and you will be given, you have to only for 2000 to 2200 key depressions will be given to the candidates, and you have to enter that one in the computer in the 15 minutes, and passage entered in the computer may also be displayed on the computer screen. That is the criteria. So here means actual for the data entry operator it is given 8000 key depression per hour, and your key depression will be 2000 to 2200. That is for the data entry operator. Then I am taking you to the post of data entry operator grade A. In this case, it is little bit different. The speed will be 15,000 key depression per hour, and it will be, what I want to tell you, it will be 15 minutes duration, and your the key depression will be 3700 to 4000 key depression for each candidates, and time will be given 15 minutes, and those are eligible for a scribe, they will be given extra 5 minutes. Means actually they have to do that the test in the 20 minutes. That is for the data entry operator grade A. Then I am taking you the third step, that is the typing test or the skill test for LDC lower division clerk, or junior secretariat assistant, and postal assistant or sorting assistant. For all these four categories of the post, one type of the test is conducted. Here what happens, dear students? Option is given to you. Means actual medium of typing of English and Hindi. Already keep in mind that actual while you are uploaded your the online application, you must have also given you the options either doing in English or in Hindi. So you have not to deviate. What you have also mentioned in your the application, online application, you have to choose that one only. No other option will be given. And for English typing, in this case, 35 words per minute. For Hindi typing, that is the 30 words per minute. And it is correspondence actuals. This the 35 and the 30 word correspondence. That 35 correspondence to 10,500 key depression per hour, and 30 words it is correspondence to 9,000 key depression per hour. And the duration, dear students, keep in mind that actual only 10 minutes to candidates, and those are carrying the scribe extra 5 minutes will be given. Means they have to do all these things in the 15 minutes. So it is all about the four categories of the post: LDC, JSA, postal assistant, and the sorting assistant. And also one instruction is given here, dear students. Passage detector will be provided to the BH candidates. Visibly handicapped candidate actual passage detector will be provided by the Staff Selection Commission's office. And another criteria is there. Candidates claiming permanently unfit to carry the typing test have to take the prior permission of the Staff Selection Commission. Then they will be the exempted from the test. They have to take the prior permission. Otherwise, they will not be considered. They are bound to face the skill test. So in this way, the skills test is conducted for all candidates, all categories, but the criteria is the different. So what I discuss with you, and once you qualify in this the skill test, then you will be called for the document verification. Then your the selection will be the done according to the merits, and this is way how the skill test or tier 3 of CHSL Staff Selection Commission is conducted. It is for today. Before concluding my lecture, dear students, my advice to you to like my channel and be a subscriber if you are the first viewers, and press the bell icon to get the first notification. Thank you. Thank you for today, dear students.